Good morning, YouTube. All right, this is the follow-up video everybody has wanted. So in previous years, when we go on a camping trip, the car that we keep this cooler in gets really hot. And in previous years, we had to keep adding additional ice every day to keep our beer and our food chilled. This year, after my modification, I only had to add ice every other day. So right there, it tells me it was a 50% improvement. And why is that? Well, the walls of this cooler are insulated with foam. The lid is not. So when I did my modification to inject foam into the lid, it seems to have kept more of the cool inside and the heat out. So let's go ahead and take a look and see if there's any bowing or warping, and then I'll talk about what I did differently or will do differently in my next experiment. All right, so yeah, it's ugly. It's not good looking. A lot of you said use glue guns or silicone caulk or even plastic plugs. Duly noted. I will definitely do that next time. These Sugru that I used, they're pretty ugly, and I won't do it again. I also won't do the drilling the holes on the inside. I'll drill the holes on the outside. And most of you noted that it probably could have been done with a lot less holes. So I next time would probably do 2 holes on each section there. There's 3 sections. Just 2 holes, bigger size. And what I would also do differently is some of you noted that I should have used Loctite closed cell foam versus something that's a little less closed cell. Definitely would take a look at that next time I do this. After doing some homework, it's clear that I should have used that. Also, injecting water into those holes, putting a little bit of water spray or mist might help it set up better. I'm going to try that out. I think I'll do another video of that separately just to see how well it sets up in a clear container so we can see what it looks like. But as you can see, there was no warping or bending of my lid. For the most part, it's pretty straight and dead on, and it seals fine. Closes right up. Maybe a little push to keep it closed, but other than that, it did great. So I hope you guys give it a try. Don't get too angry with me. I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but for my purposes, it worked great on my camping trip, and I hope it works great for you. All right, take it easy, guys.